Hello, this is Daniel Watrous, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your WordPress opt-in crusher with Aweber. So follow along. This one will be just a tad more complicated than the others, but I think you'll find it's still really straightforward. So when you log in, or when you're at your settings page, scroll down to the bottom till you see the section that says Aweber form details. And we've already covered some of the font family, font size, and color, and so on. So we're not going to go over that. But you'll notice that the first option you have is to capture email only. The default is to capture name and email address. If you want to, if you don't care about capturing names and you just want to capture email addresses, and sometimes that can increase your opt-in rate, then just check yes here and click update settings, and the name part will be omitted, and all it will capture is the email address. Now here are these other fields, and I'm going to actually show you in my Aweber account how to identify these. The first is the Meta Web Form ID. So when you log in to your Aweber account, you'll want to go to Web Forms, choose your web form, and then click the Publish button, and then choose I will install my web form, and then click on raw HTML version. And that's going to leave you with this box full of stuff. And Aweber unfortunately leaves a bunch of junk. All this stuff here up at the top is designed to make the form look a certain way. You don't need to worry about all that, but if you scroll down, you'll notice I scrolled down about halfway. You see right here it says Meta Web Form ID. So what you do is over where it says value equals, whatever you see inside the quotes there, you want to highlight that and copy it. And then you just come back to your settings and you just paste that value right into that field. Next, the list name value. So again, you come back to your form here and you'll see that right down below where it says Meta Web Form ID, it says list name. And then again it says value equals, and whatever you see inside the quotes there, you just copy, come back over here and paste, and then you say meta ad tracking value. So again, you come back and you look for meta ad tracking, you see it right there, and you look for value, and then you find, or you copy whatever happens to be in between the quotes for value. Bring that back over here, paste that in, and then the redirect value is this right here. So it says redirect, and again, everything from here, and so you'll have to scroll over a little bit, everything from here to the end of the quotes is what you'll have to copy. Now, depending on your account, this will most likely say, something like www.aweber.com. So again, you just copy whatever happens to be in the value field. So in between the quotes, after you see value equals for redirect, come back and you paste that in here. And then the last bit, and again, we talked about this in messaging. This can be whatever you want it to be. Then this last bit is the statistics tracking. So let's come back here, and we're going to have to scroll down just a little bit more. Okay, and this is going to be almost near the bottom, and you're going to see that there's and just try to see this right before this tag where you have the little less than, a slash, and then form, and then a greater than sign. Right before you get there, you'll see up here the line above it. It says this. Well, there's an image tag, and this image tag is important. And I'm trying to make this not sound too geeky. So just follow along where I am. You see image source, this src. What you want is everything from where the quotes here start to where the quotes end. So you want to find this image, src equals, and then start copying right from where the quotes start to right before they end. You just copy that. Bring that back over to your website. Oops, I must not have copied. Okay, so again, you just select everything there, right click, choose copy, then come back over here and paste that in. And that's it. When you click Update Settings, now each time your opt-in footer shows up, there it goes, it just sent information to Aweber indicating that it showed the form. And that'll help you keep track of the statistics for your opt-in form, how many people see it to how many people actually sign up. And then the other thing is it's now completely integrated with Aweber. So anytime somebody submits this form on your website, it's going to sign them up to this list name. It will redirect them to this location. And again, you don't have to take Aweber's location. You can actually just grab, if you've made a thank you page, for example, on your website, well, you can just grab that thank you page and paste that URL in here. So this redirect, it can be any page on your site, or it can be Aweber's default page. So that's how you integrate with Aweber. And congratulations, you're all set up. Now you have all of the details in place, and once it's activated, you'll be capturing opt-ins on your WordPress blog. So congratulations and thank you.